Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to find the solution of the fifth question in exercise 4.2. If A is a square matrix of order 2 and determinant of A is minus 5, then find the value of determinant of 3A. See, determinant of 3A can be written as 3 power n into determinant of A, where n is going to be the order of the square matrix here. So in this case, you have a 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is 3 squared into determinant of A. So 3 squared is 9. They gave the determinant of A's value as minus 5. So 9 into minus 5. So the value of this particular determinant is minus 45. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.